Crime is damaging because it tears at the fabric of communities. Local governments have a responsibility and real potential to prevent crime. Since 1994, the Waterloo Region Crime Prevention Council has been charged by regional government to develop partnerships and social approaches that foster community safety. There is no simple template or cookie-cutter solution to crime. Our work is mostly about collaborative practices, meaningful engagement, and strong relationships. Waterloo Region has a history of stewardship and working for the common good through grassroots actions. As our initiative grew out of this context, it was no surprise our work sometimes resembled quilting or barn raising. We brought people together and coordinated their efforts to create something that's bigger than the sum of its parts. Since crime is complex, it can't be prevented by any single organization or a series of individual programs. Nor does effective prevention happen from the top down or bottom up. Rather, it happens from the middle out. Think of us as a catalyst for the work in our community and beyond. We bring together government and systems alongside citizens and neighborhoods to develop a shared vision and take shared actions. This approach improves our collective understanding of community issues, which leads to more informed decisions, policies, and services. Ultimately, we use the methods of engagement, knowledge sharing, capacity building, research, advocacy, collaboration, and policy development to mobilize our community to go upstream. Going upstream refers to addressing the underlying conditions or roots of crime. As many social issues share the same roots, working upstream doesn't just prevent crime, it fosters equity and community well-being. At the Waterloo Region Crime Prevention Council, our work is about creating a social movement that shifts community to a place where everyone's needs are met and all people have a promising future. To learn more about our past and present work in the community, visit www.preventingcrime.ca.